Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Gmail API. Once done, create OAuth 2. 0 client ID credentials for a desktop or web app. Next, install Google API Python Client, Google Auth HTTPlib 2, and Google Auth OAuth so your code can authenticate. Then run the first authorization flow to generate token. JSON, make sure you request the Gmail. Send scope so you can send messages. This gives you the client secret and refresh capability, essential for automated scripts that must act on your behalf. Now you construct the email. Use email, MIME, text, MIME text or MIME multipart to set from to, subject and the body. Include attachments only after adding proper MIME parts. Once composed, convert to bytes and apply base 64. URLsafe B64 encode, then decode to a UTF-8 string for the raw field. Next, build the Gmail service with credentials and call service. Users, messages, send, user ID equals me. Body equals raw, execute. If successful, the API returns an ID, log it so you can track delivery and retries. To finish, ensure your script refreshes tokens automatically and stores credentials securely. Use secret managers for production. Run end-to-end tests sending to your address, then expand recipients and attachment sizes while observing rate limits. Implement exponential backoff for 429 or 5xx responses. If something fails, inspect the error. A 401 invalid grant often means a mismatched scope, revoked consent, or a wrong system clock. Sync time, reauthorize, and confirm OAuth client ID. Finally, log full responses so you can iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.